Welcome back. In this section, let's get started with one of the most fundamental services provided by AWS, which is Amazon S3. If you ask anybody the two important services in AWS, they would say EC2 and S3. And maybe these days they would add serverless to it, maybe Lambda. Understanding what you can do with S3 is one of the most important things to make the best use of AWS. Are you excited to get started? Let's get started right away. Amazon S3 is the most popular, very flexible and inexpensive storage service provided by AWS. Amazon S3 is typically recommended for storing large objects with a key value approach. So this is very similar to how you store values into a hash map. You assign a key and put an object against it. So that's exactly how you would store stuff into S3. And that's the reason why S3 is also called object storage. You can store a file and associate it with a key. Amazon S3 also provides you with a REST API to access and modify the objects which are stored in S3. Amazon S3 provides you with unlimited storage. The default storage class for S3 provides you with 99.99% availability, that's 4 nines availability, and 11 nines durability. The chance that you would lose some data which is put into S3 is very remote. To achieve 11 nines durability, your objects are replicated inside a single region across multiple AZs, across multiple availability zones. You can use S3 to store any kind of files, text, binary, backup, archives. A few examples are media files and archives, application packages and logs. By application packages, I'm referring to the deployable units, maybe a jar, var, or any of the deployable units you might have. You can store backups of your databases and storage devices. Also, you can store staging data. Let's say I'm migrating from on-premise to the cloud. So I have a data center. I would want to shift the data to the cloud. What I can do is first shift the data to S3, and then I can take the data from S3 to whichever database or whichever storage service I would want to make use of. So S3 is also used as a place where you can stage your data. The idea behind this step was to give you a quick overview of Amazon S3. It's very flexible, very inexpensive. It provides unlimited storage with very good availability and very high durability. I'll see you in the next step.